today in this video, I'm going to be showing you an update on my garden, how it's doing. We're going to start off with the cucumber bed with the potato in the middle. Cucumbers are doing perfectly fine. Tomato plant right here. Whoa, this plant's big. Oh yeah, we got nice beauty right there. We got beauties. The kale's doing good. With the cucumbers. Radish and beets and carrots. The corn. The Brussels sprouts growing everywhere. The cabbages. Cucumbers. Oregano. Cucumbers. Look, we got little peas. We got some right here growing. We got a ton of them. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, we got long ones here too, growing all over the place. Tomato plant. This is after, I think, 3 weeks. Noise. We got a big tomato. The grape one's doing well too. We got a nice pepper. This is my compost. I put tarp on it, and then I put woods on the side to keep it down. A bunch of weird sunflower seeds. We got the lettuce I harvested and more lettuce. Basil, green onions, lettuce, a little more basil here. Beans there, beans all here. So we got my zucchini plant. It's really hot, so that's why the leaves are like that. But they'll come back at night. They come back all beautiful. We just planted cucumbers today, and they're growing good. I just transplanted them from the pots right here. And it's gonna grow all along this. We got like little zucchini plants right there. Carrots, lettuce, beets, and radishes, and more carrots. Down here we got Japanese cucumbers, bush champion cucumbers. And then I grew my tomato plant, more lettuce, sweet basil, more lettuce and carrots. Grow them on lines, and then I use this stick to poke them out. Then we got peas, basil, mint, kale, peppers. The zucchini plant here has been here for the last like a month and 3 weeks. The oregano has grown, and this cucumber, I don't know if you can see it, but right there is a cucumber. See if we can find another one. Oh yeah, right here. Then we got a giant zucchini plant right here. It's doing so well. Radishes are producing flowers for seeds. The Brussels sprout is doing good. Little sprouts. Green beans. This tomato plant's being attacked by whiteflies. This is a whitefly up close. Look, we got a zucchini. It's gonna be good in my salad. Look at the pepper. Remember, it used to be right there, but now it's just branching out the grapevine. Absolutely nice. So we had a problem with this one. It grew so big that it's starting to fall on the edge right here. We got a corn plant. We just got corn right here. Beautiful corn. Corn everywhere. The zucchini plants, absolutely wonderful. Now that is what I call very healthy zucchini. More tomatoes growing. The basil's doing well. They will grow all over and they'll blast off the trellis. And we got a cucumber right there.